Thanks to Temu for sponsoring today's video. Basically, the topic will be how to return and refund policy for Temu, and I'll show you guys step by step how to return and how to get your refund once you purchase something from Temu. And if you're not certified with it, what you buy on Temu, you can refund following the simple method, which I'll be showing you guys here in a minute. And if you guys are new to Temu, make sure you click the second link down below. That will be the second link down below for any new user for Temu, and that should be up, and you'll be eligible for 30% off. And each purchase you made, your first order, by the way, will be 30% off. So without further ado, go ahead and subscribe if you're new, and let's go ahead and. All right, so step by step, first you're gonna want to go ahead and click on your Temu account within the app. Okay. All right, so first you're gonna go click here on your orders. I'll show everything on my screen here. Once you click on your orders, click on your orders. Once you click on your orders and click where it says return and refund, it should show some. It should say, I will show example on the screen here. Once you click return and refund, select the item that you want to refund, because if you buy multiple items, you are allowed to return one by one or individual one. That's just the one that you don't like. So go ahead and select it. Once you select it, you're gonna want to go ahead and select your reason. Of course, if you don't like it because you're not certified with the you're not certified with the product, of course you don't like it, go ahead and say something that the item does not fit you, the quality is not good, the quality is good, the fabric, my product was missing, all that. Okay. So once you already select your reasoning, you're gonna want to go ahead and take a picture of the item. Okay, we want to see the item. Team will want to see the item to be assured if it can be returned or not. So to go ahead and take a picture of that, okay, go ahead and select your post office, and always make sure you select post office. Post office, they'll print the label for you, okay, just for free, or the UPS, they'll print a label for you, and then you can literally drop it off there for free. Um, Zero cost, zero fees. Once you print the order, once you print the printing label, the shipping label, go ahead and select the method that you would like to get the money back, which account. You can select the Temu credit balance, which will be credit balance. It will be within the Temu app. It's not going towards your bank. It's not going towards your money bank. It's not going towards your account. It will be within the Temu. So anytime you buy it, you can just buy it. Once you accept it within the Temu credit balance, you cannot withdraw it. So it will stay just right there. Anytime sooner you want to purchase something, you should be ready from there. You cannot withdraw it to your bank. So you have to select wisely. So once you do that, once you select that, and then you should be ready to go. Once the request, once you already print and return the items, it should show like this on the screen right here. Request submitted, and you should be able to get your refund within 4 or 5 days business. Turn that team will make sure that you ship back the right item, so they can be able to refund you full amount of money. So I hope that answered your question. And without further ado, go ahead, guys, if you guys always want to be an influencer for Temu, make sure you click the first link to join in. And